I'm really excited. It doesn't look like it, but Christmas is on its way. And of course, we're talking about Christmas trees today. We received this one for our review, and I'm pretty excited to put it together. It comes in 3 different parts. It is, of course, a fake Christmas tree, let's be honest. But apparently, I just saw the pictures, read the instructions, and it's so easy to install. And then once it's installed, we're just going to fluff it open. It does come with its stand, and I already actually just put it together. And it comes with the hardware to actually fixate and make sure that that original or that base stem stays really, really sturdy. So look at this. Just as a little detail, I love the fact that there's 2 different kind of growth going on. So it really emulates the real looking Christmas tree. It's pretty cool. Very cool quality. Let's put it together and show you how tall it gets. So before I show you the final product, I just wanted to make sure you guys understand the type of arms. So they can be all twisted like that, but of course you need to open it up. And then once it's opened, you need to fluff it. That's what they actually tell you. By fluffing it, basically open it up and make it look more natural. So I'm going to go ahead and do the base, do the middle part and the top, open everything up, make sure it looks natural and full. And we'll be right back. So I fluffed the middle, or the bottom part, I should say. Let's add the middle part right here, right there. And then everything just falls in place. And as you can see, you just got to help it out a little bit in some instances. And then just start fluffing it up again. Super easy. And there it is. This is the 6-footer. They do have 2, 3, 4. I mean, they've got different sizes, of course. This one here is 6 feet tall. And what I really like is that you can take a step back, and if there's something you don't like about the fluffing you just did, I can really just go here and adjust it down, and every single stem and piece can be adjusted, which is really, really nice. Now, all I have left to do is decorate it, put some lights, some decorations. This is good for, of course, indoors, but it can also be great for outdoors if you want to decorate the outdoor of your house. So awesome. Can't wait for Christmas. This is going to look beautiful.